Right now, we are on the edge of the North American continent. We are where the Delaware Bay meets the Atlantic Ocean. We are on a cape called Cape Henlopen. The ocean is home to many life forms like dolphins. Other life forms are less fortunate, like this horseshoe crab, and get washed up on the beach. They are actually not crabs. In fact, they are not even crustaceans. They are more closely related to arachnids, like spiders and scorpions. If that wasn't strange enough, they have 9 eyes all over their body. And also, horseshoe crabs have existed on this earth for over 300 million years. Their bodies provide homes for sea creatures like barnacles and slipper snails. Horseshoe crabs are not the only ones to get washed up. Many others die on the dry beach. In the ocean is a bird called a common loon. In the summer, they live in northern North America and can be found further inland in lakes and look like this. In the winter, they look like this and can be found further south along the east and west coast. These loons are not unique to North America. They can also be found in Greenland, Iceland, and Western Europe. They go underwater to catch fish, and they often eat them underwater too. Loons have projections on the roof of their mouth and their tongue that help them grab onto fish. During the breeding season, horseshoe crabs go on land, but it's nowhere near their breeding season, so I don't know why they're on land. Don't worry, I flipped them over and put them back in the ocean, but anyway, this is very sad because they're a keystone species in the Delaware Bay. The Atlantic horseshoe crab is one of 4 species. The other 3 can be found off the coast of Asia. They don't have teeth, so they crush up food between their legs. These vulnerable animals are threatened by overharvesting and loss of habitat. I don't think the fish is okay. On the edge of the beach, there are birds called sanderlings. They breed in several locations in the high Arctic. In the winter, they go to beaches all over the world, often returning to the same places year after year. Unfortunately, their population is seriously declining in the Americas. As you can see here, they are very social and are never seen alone. It seems like they're always with other sanderlings. Climate change will really affect them because if it warms up by just 3 degrees, they will lose 97% of their breeding range in North America. They eat by chasing and avoiding the waves, eating exposed creatures from the sand, mostly sand crabs. There are larger birds, seagulls, and those gulls are herring gulls. Probably. They are a scary sight if you are a sea creature that's small, because they basically eat anything that can fit in their mouth that moves. The reason why some of those gulls are brown is because they are immature and are probably 1 or 2 years old. They can actually drink salt water because of glands near their eyes. In the ocean is a mammal, a harbor seal. Unlike most birds who have hollow bones, loons have solid bones, which makes them less buoyant and helps them to dive better. Harbor seals are found in the east and west coast of North America, along with Europe and northeastern Asia. These seals can live to be 35 years old. A cormorant flies by, and there are 2 species of loons that can be found here. First, there are red-throated loons that have round heads and thin beaks that point upwards. Then, there are common loons that have thicker beaks and more square-like heads. We are at the tip of the cape, so now let's go further inland. Near a small body of water, there are spotted turtles. Right now, we are in Gordon Pond, which is home to many birds like these greater yellowlegs, and yes, these birds are called yellowlegs, I guess because their legs are yellow. Here are some American black ducks, and if you want to learn more about them, then I suggest you watch Waterfowl World. This right here is a great blue heron. It is important for great blue herons to keep their long chest feathers clean, so their feathers produce a powder which removes fish slime from them. They also have a modified claw which they use to comb out debris from their chest feathers. You might have noticed that great blue herons are big. Well, that's because they are. They can be up to 4 feet tall and have a wingspan of almost 2 meters. Also, male herons are bigger than female herons. They are North America's largest heron species and have a range that covers almost the entire continent. Here is a lonely snow goose. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, have a great day.